how to log out of your account on Nintendo Switch. First, you want to simply open your browser over here and tap on your profile, and here you want to simply search for the Nintendo option over here. Once you're inside the website, you'd be able to simply log in first. Once you have logged in onto your account, what you want to do is you want to simply tap on your profile at the top right of your screen over here. Once you have logged in, you'd be able to simply tap on your profile and you'd be able to see the sign out option over here. You can simply tap on sign out and you'd be able to simply log out of your account over here. However, if you are on your Nintendo Switch, you'd be able to simply open your system settings, and inside your system settings you'd be able to see an users option over there. Inside the users options as well, you can simply select your user, and a Nintendo Switch user cannot simply be logged out like a website account. To remove an account from the console, you need to use the appropriate delete user option, and once you have deleted your account is the only way to remove your account on the Nintendo Switch. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.